Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to take this old crusty piece of aluminum and turn it into this fun and popular mind bender game. So this game has been popular for many years, and in essence, you jump one of these pegs out of a hole to another one and you remove that. You jump one peg over another peg into an empty hole, and then you remove that peg and you go back and forth until hopefully you only have one peg left. So what I thought I'd do is make a couple of these out of aluminum as a gift for my kids. A lot of times you'll find these games sitting in restaurants at the table to occupy your time while you're waiting for the food. They've become so popular with my kids that they look around for the vacant tables and snatch a few of the extra games off so each of them has one. The end mill didn't do a very good job or leave us a very nice finish. We really have no idea what this alloy is. It's some aluminum alloy. I got this out of the Walt Disney World Magic Kingdom when they did a retrofit on one of the rides. It was bought as scrap material. I have no idea what it is, so it's just not cutting well. I changed the end mill 2 or 3 different times trying to get a good finish on it. It's just an alloy that's not very machinable. All right, here is where the highly mathematical and precise measurement of transferring the hole centers comes in. You can see not precise at all, but very effective. And then we'll come over here and we'll drill the holes. We'll set the depth stop so we don't punch a hole through the bottom of the piece. And then drill all our holes with the appropriate size drill bit for a golf tee. We're just going to use a deburring tool to deburr all of these holes and make a nice finish. Started with an 80 grit sandpaper, moved to a 120 grit, then a 220 grit to give us that really nice finish. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed watching me build this little simple brain teaser puzzle for my kids. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, remember you can follow us on Instagram under Do Right Builder or on the Do Right Fabrication Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.